Hi everyone, Dakota again from BecomingAProgrammer.com. We're continuing our series on building a Hacker News clone in AngularJS. In the last video, we added our story to the show page, and now we're going to add the content or the comment form. So to do that, we want to go into this story comments view, and we'll add a form tag. We want to make sure we remove the action because we don't want a page refresh here. And then add a paragraph tag, and in there I'm going to add a text area, name it comment, with an ID of comment, and we can give it 50 column height and or 50 column width, I guess, and then 6 row height. And let's add another paragraph tag, and in there we'll put a button saying add comment, and we could save that, reload, and you see now we got our form in there. So let's add those changes and commit. Okay, and now that was a short commit, so let's do another commit in this video. Next we're going to be adding comments to the story comments view. So at this point we're going to need to use that new component to display the information because we need to get more info from the TopStoriesService. But first I want to show you, let's open up the StoryController and let's make a call to this TopStoriesService and use the getStory method, and we're going to pass in that ID that we got from the state parameters. And then in the promise response, we're going to set vm.story equal to the response data, and then save the controller. And now I'm going to open up this view that corresponds to it, and at the bottom here I'm going to add in vm.story so we can just take a look at what that data is. And you can see actually this is the data that's the same data that is fetched by this directive, but the thing that we want to focus on here is kids. So this is the array of IDs of the comments that belong to this post. So what we're going to do is we're going to pass each of these numbers to our new component to be able to display that particular comment. But before we move on and do that, let's commit this change. And gets story data from Hacker News API and binds it to vm.story. Alright, and let's move on now to the next video.